Happy
I
birthday,
love you.
Mama Orange.
Smile. Smile.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Good morning, Mother. Good morning. Good morning, Ma. Today is your birthday. Smile. Ma, smile.
Mama Oleng, sinong mahal mo? Mama Oleng, may arasang mag-greet sa imo.
Happy birthday, Mama Oring. I love you so much. Taken bong nawa ako.
Mama Oleng, kita mo to, dasig-dasig. Ari pa isa.
Hi, Mama Oring. Happy birthday. I miss you. See you soon.
Mama Oleng, dasig-dasig yapon, no? Ari pa isa.
Happy birthday, Mother. I thank God for your life. And ang wish ko lang sa imo is good health, kag long life. I love you, Mother. I miss you.
Batian mo to, Mama Oleng. Wala siya boses.
Isaiah 46:4. Even to your old age and gray hairs, I am He. I am He who will sustain you. I have made you and I will carry you. I will sustain you and I will rescue you. Happy birthday, Mother. Una sa tanan, nagapasalamat kami kay Lord sa kabuhi nga iya gihatag sa imo kag sa padayon niya nga pag-sustain sa imo life kag keeping you safe and healthy. Hiling ko lang sa iyo, Mother, is long life pa. And of course, ang imo nga good health. I love you, Mother. I miss you. And happy birthday.
Mother, batian mo to. May boses na siya.
Hello, Mamang. Good morning. Happy birthday to you. Wish ko lang, Mang, always is good health. Amo gyud ang pinaka-importante sa aton tanan. Dapat good health lang ta, bisan gitigulang na ta, at least wala ta sang sakit. Amo gyud ang pinaka-importante. Tani Mang, karong birthday mo, maging happy ka. Na balay man namon nga boring ka na sa life, wala na si Daddy, pero always mo isipon nga happy si Daddy Fred karong birthday mo. Always mo tandaan, Mama, nga bisan wala na si Daddy, ang iyang feeling karon is so happy siya para sa imo. Kag tani damo pa nga birthday mag-abot sa imo, Mamang. Kag yun lang. Happy birthday, Mamang, and always remember, we love you so much, Mamang. Love you.
Mama Oling, happy 18th birthday po. We thank God for your life. Ma-blessing ka sa amon kabuhi. I pray and I wish for your health po. Mapalangga ka namon.
Mama Oleng, happy birthday. Ako lang ang mahal mo, no? Sino ako? Si Kaki. Happy birthday, Mama Oleng. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Mama Oling, ako lang ang mahal mo. Ako lang ang mahal mo. Happy birthday, Mama Oling. Hello, happy
birthday, Mama Oling.
Happy birthday.
Mama lang?
Mama Oling.
Mama lang, Bil. Ganda.
Dali ah.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Mama Oling, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama Oring.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Mama, special day mo ngayon. Happy birthday. I wish you the best na magkaroon ka pa ng mahabang birthday dito sa Earth. At maging healthy po kayo. Thank you na naging mabuting ina ka para sa aming mga anak mo, sa mga apo mo. We love you so much, Mama. Happy birthday. I wish you the best. God bless you. From my family, Bibot, and my family. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mom. Happy birthday, Mom. We're shouting it loud, you're number one. Happy birthday, Mom. Happy birthday, Mom. Let's make this day as bright as the sun.
From the morning light to the evening sky, we're here to celebrate. No need to ask why. You've given us so much, and now it's your turn.